guys, it's me Rijula. Welcome to the Enhanced Aurora channel, and today we're gonna tell you about the Microsoft Whiteboard Part 2, the Insert menu and the settings. So earlier in the first Microsoft Whiteboard video, I have showed you the toolbox, and then I also showed you the settings, the active pen, into shape, into table, object snapping. But I did not do the demo of format background and toolbar location. And I also did not do the demo of insert menu. So let's go and do that. So let me show you the demo of insert menu. Click on that. Earlier I have told you that there are 7 items in the insert menu, 4 preview and 3 non-preview. So first we are going to the note grid. So this is the note grid. If you want to do some task, you can do some task. And did you know that we can edit the region title as shown in the note grid? When you click on that, you can edit it. Like example, if you want to do some tasks, you can add note. There's a button over here. When you click on that, you can see one sticky note. You can add something like this and many more. There you go. If you want to delete everything, you can delete it. And the next thing, the list. This is also looks the same. This is also the list. When you do a task, you can type over here. If you want to buy some items like this, you can like it like this, and you can see you like this, and you have to unlike, and you can move anywhere in the whiteboard canvas like this. See? And now I'm gonna change it to the background picker as blue. I'm gonna put it as default. I'm gonna delete that. And did you know that you can change it to a checklist? Like example, if you want to buy some pen like that, you can, if you have bought it, you can put a tick mark. This will be good if you want to go for shopping. This will help you. So let's go and delete that. And the third thing, follow up list. This is also looks the same, but this is with the extra column called assigned to. So if you want to type something and if you want to assign, you can assign to the account who you want to send it, and there you go. That looks the same as the list. And then the fourth one, the template. So here you can find out brainstorming. There are so many templates. Here you have brainstorming, Kanban, retrospective, effective meeting, SWOT, and many more. So much. So I'm going to the project planning. So you can create a plan for a project. So there you go. Tips for effective project planning. You have some rules over here, 4 rules. You have some objectives, key deliverables, stakeholders, risks, and dependencies. You can see out of scope. Out of scope means the objective that you did not do. And here you can see the icon, export to CSV, copy, cut, delete, and all text. So let's go and delete that. And then we have finished the preview items. Now let's go to the non-preview items. When you click on the PDF, you can see a library image like that. But when I'm showing you, it did not come. Sorry. And the next thing, you can see Word icon. You can insert Word document pages. And you have PowerPoint document, inserting PowerPoint slides. And so that's it. this is the demo of insert menu. We have done that. And now let's go to the settings. So we are going to the format background and toolbar location. So let's go to the format background. So you can change the background. For example, if you want to make it yellow, blue, purple, pink, that's peach. And that you have peach and many more. So many solid colors. And you have grid background. You can make it solid. You can make it a dot. You can make it a square if you want to do some math graph. Oh, here also graph is there. Hybrid, diamond, triangle, wide rule, and narrow rule. You can see so many lines. That is called narrow rule. And the next thing, the last but not least, the toolbar location. Here you can see we will temporarily move the toolbar to the bottom if there's no room for it in your preferred location. You can see you can do it left, you can do it as right. You can't see here, but you can see like this. This is the right icon, and now this is the bottom one. Bottom is the default. So there you go. I'm gonna put it as left because it looks so beautiful. But if you want to put it for anything like this, you can put anything like left, right, or bottom. I'm gonna put it for left because that looks so beautiful. And you can see, and there you go, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the Enhanced Aurora channel. And until next time, it's me Rajula from the Enhanced channel. Hit a like, share, and request me some more videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.